I spent an entire week testing every free AI presentation tool I could find, so you don't have to. The question was simple. Can artificial intelligence actually create presentations that don't look like garbage? And more importantly, can it do it for free? I built the same 3 presentations in each tool: an investor pitch deck, a classroom lecture, and a marketing proposal, and rated them on design quality, AI text quality, export options, free tier limits, and ease of use. Some of these tools genuinely blew me away. Others were disappointing. One of them might surprise you. Let's get into the rankings from worst to first.
Coming in at number 5 is Canva AI. Now let me be clear, Canva is an incredible design platform. I use it for social media graphics, thumbnails, and quick visual content all the time. But when it comes specifically to AI-powered presentation generation, it falls short of the dedicated tools. Here's what happened. Canva's magic design feature lets you type a prompt, and it generates a presentation outline with slides. The design quality is solid because Canva has an enormous template library to pull from. Your slides will look professional. The problem is the AI text generation. Compared to tools like Gamma or Tome, Canva's AI produces generic surface-level content. The bullet points feel like they were copied from a Wikipedia summary. For classroom presentation, that might be fine. For professional pitch deck, you'll be rewriting most of the text yourself. The free tier is generous. You get access to thousands of templates, basic AI features, and can export to PDF. But the advanced AI features, like Magic Design Pro and the full AI text generation, are locked behind Canva Pro at about $13 a month or $120 per year. Where Canva AI shines is flexibility. If you already use Canva for other design work, having presentation generation built into the same platform is convenient. You can pull in elements from your brand kit, use Canva's massive stock photo library, and collaborate with team members in real time. But if your primary goal is generating presentations from a text prompt with minimal editing, there are better options on this list. Verdict: powerful design tool, average AI presentation generator. Use it if you're already in the Canva ecosystem, but don't switch to it just for presentations.
Number 4, we have SlidesAI. This is the tool for anyone who lives and breathes Google Workspace. Unlike the other tools on this list, SlidesAI doesn't replace your presentation software. It integrates directly into Google Slides as an add-on. You install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace, open a Google Slides presentation, and SlidesAI appears as a sidebar. Type your topic, and it generates slides right there in your Google Slides document. The biggest advantage here is familiarity. If your school, company, or team already uses Google Slides, there's zero learning curve. You're working in an interface you already know, with all of Google Slides' collaboration features intact. The AI text quality is decent, better than Canva. Not as good as Gamma or Tome. It structures content logically with clear headings and bullet points, though you'll want to edit and expand the text for any professional use. The free tier gives you 3 presentations per month, which is enough for most students or casual users, but will run out fast if you're creating decks regularly. Paid plans start at around $10 a month for unlimited presentations. Design-wise, SlidesAI uses Google Slides' built-in themes, so your presentations will look like, well, Google Slides presentations. Clean and functional, but not the stunning visual output you'd get from Gamma or Beautiful.ai. For educators and students, SlidesAI is a solid choice. The 3 free presentations per month covers most semester workloads, and the Google Slides integration means you can share and collaborate effortlessly. For professionals who need polished, branded presentations, look higher on this list.
Number 3 is Tome, and this is where things get really interesting. Tome was built from the ground up for one purpose: narrative-driven presentations. If you've ever had to pitch an idea to investors, present a business case, or tell a story through slides, Tome is designed specifically for you. Here's what makes Tome different. When you give it a prompt, it doesn't just generate bullet points. It structures your presentation as a narrative. It thinks about the story arc, the problem, the solution, the evidence, the ask. This is exactly how venture capitalists and investors expect pitch decks to be structured, and Tome does it almost automatically. The AI text quality is genuinely impressive. It writes like a consultant who understands business communication, concise, persuasive, and well-organized. The generated content feels like a first draft from a smart colleague, not a robot. Tome also includes AI image generation, so your slides aren't just text on a background. It creates custom visuals that match your content, which gives presentations a polished, bespoke feel. The free starter plan gives you a limited number of AI-generated presentations, enough to test it out and build a few decks. For heavy use, paid plans start at around $16 per month. Where Tome falls short is versatility. It's amazing for narrative presentations and pitch decks, but if you need a data-heavy financial report, a technical training manual, or a creative marketing deck with complex visual layouts, Tome's storytelling focus can feel constraining. It wants to tell a story, and not every presentation is a story. Verdict: if you build pitch decks, investor presentations, or any narrative-driven deck, Tome is your best bet. For everything else, the next two tools are more flexible.
Number 2, we have Beautiful.ai, and if you work on a team where brand consistency matters, this is your tool. Beautiful.ai's killer feature is something they call smart slides, and it's genuinely revolutionary for organizations. Here's the problem it solves. In most presentation tools, anyone on your team can create a slide that completely violates your brand guidelines. Wrong fonts, wrong colors, misaligned elements, inconsistent spacing. You've seen it, a company presentation that looks like 5 different people designed it, because 5 different people did. Beautiful.ai solves this at the structural level. You set up your brand theme, fonts, colors, logos, spacing rules at the organizational level. Then every slide any team member creates automatically conforms to those rules. It's not that you can fix off-brand slides after the fact. It's that off-brand slides literally cannot be created. Smart Slides engine constrains every layout choice to match your brand. For a 5-person team, Beautiful.ai costs about $40 per user per month, which comes to $200 a month. That sounds expensive until you compare it to hiring a designer or spending hours manually fixing inconsistent decks. For AI features, Beautiful.ai includes a design bot assistant that can generate slides from text prompts, suggest layout improvements, and help with content. The AI text quality is solid, professional, and well-structured, though not quite as narrative-savvy as Tome. Beautiful.ai doesn't have a permanent free tier but offers a 14-day free trial. After that, the pro plan starts at $12 per month for individuals. Verdict: Beautiful.ai is the brand control champion. If your team creates presentations that need to look consistently professional, nothing else comes close. For solo users on a budget, the number 1 pick might be more appealing.
And the winner is Gamma. After testing all 5 tools across investor pitches, classroom lectures, and marketing proposals, Gamma came out on top as the best all-rounder. And here's why. First, generation speed. Gamma is fast. You type your prompt, and within seconds, you have a complete, multi-slide presentation with AI-generated content and professional design. In my tests, Gamma consistently produced first drafts faster than any other tool on this list. Second, design quality. Gamma's templates are genuinely beautiful. They're modern, clean, and visually varied. Your presentations don't all look the same, which is a problem with some AI tools. It offers a range of themes and color palettes, and the AI picks layouts that actually fit the content on each slide. Third, the AI text quality. Gamma's content generation is excellent across categories. It writes clear, professional text for business presentations, engaging content for educational decks, and persuasive copy for marketing materials. It's not as narrative-focused as Tome, but it's more versatile. Fourth, and this is huge for a free tier, Gamma gives you 400 free AI credits when you sign up. That's enough to generate dozens of presentations. For comparison, SlidesAI gives you 3 per month. Gamma's free tier alone is more generous than most tools' paid plans. Fifth, versatility. Gamma isn't just a presentation tool. It can also generate web pages and documents from the same prompt, which means you can create a presentation, a one-pager, and a landing page from the same content in minutes. It exports to PowerPoint, PDF, and as a shareable web link. For collaboration, Gamma supports real-time editing and commenting, similar to Google Docs, but for presentations. You can share a link, get feedback, and iterate quickly. Gamma's paid Pro plan starts at about $10 per month for unlimited AI credits and advanced features. But honestly, the free tier is so generous that many users never need to upgrade. Verdict: Gamma is the tool I'd recommend to almost anyone. If you're not sure which AI presentation tool to try first, start with Gamma. The 400 free credits let you test it thoroughly, and the output quality is consistently impressive across use cases.
Let's recap the rankings. Number 5, Canva AI, great design platform, but its AI presentation generation is just average. Number 4, SlidesAI, perfect if you live in Google Workspace with a simple $3 per month free tier. Number 3, Tome, the storytelling specialist, best for pitch decks and investor presentations. Number 2, Beautiful.ai, the brand control champion, essential for teams that need consistent professional design. And number 1, Gamma, the best all-rounder with 400 free credits, fast generation, beautiful output, and unmatched versatility. If you're not sure where to start, try Gamma first. The free tier is incredibly generous and the output quality speaks for itself.
Which AI presentation tool are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see what you all end up using. If this review saved you time, subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials every week. And if you want to see me test a specific tool next, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.